richest man in the Bible. He came from that generation of Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, okay? Yes, that's the lineage even up to them. That's the lineage, isn't it? Yes. And Abraham begot Isaac, Isaac begot Jacob and Esau, you know? And we know that Saga, Esau was the firstborn by birth, but by land. Yeah, he had already sold his birthright, okay? So Jacob was very disciplined. He got discipline after character development, okay? Yes. He got character development, okay? And now he was very disciplined, okay? You know, God paid him a visit. Jacob, God paid a visit after character development ya Rachel na Leah. Mungu akamtembelea usiku akamkuta amelalia mawe. It's recorded in Genesis. Jacob was working so hard. The way you work, he was sleeping on a stone. And he paid him a visit. Kulalia? Wekelea mkono hapa. Inama hivi. Kulalia mawe ni nini? It's that determination. After your work day, full work day, 8 to 5, in the evening, uko university ukimaliza your masters. Weekend, uko kwa mjengo yako, you don't have time to waste. Yes. Online, unafanya workshop, you don't have time to eat on TikTok. On the weekend, uko busy na familia yako. Jioni instead ya kuinua chupa pale kama kis, you are busy with your family. Umelalia? And God visited him in Exodus akasema, because I have seen in Genesis, I have seen your determination. The 12 tribes of Israel zinatoka kwako. Umeamua kulalia?